I'm Jennifer Sanassi, you're watching News 24 Live. Well, I'm joined in studio by Food 24's wine expert, Kathy Marston. Today we're going to be trying a delicious wooden Chardonnay by Plaisir de Mel. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, I'm excited that you're back.
I know, I'm your favourite guest. It's because I bring wine every time. But this is a nice wine to bring, actually. I'm very pleased we've got this one here today. This is from France, Plaisir de Mel, and it's a wooded Chardonnay. And I know a lot of people think, oh, I don't like wooded wines, and that's why they always drink Sauvignon Blanc, Pinot Grigio and everything. But actually, wood can make a wine an awful lot better. You just have to use it carefully. You just can't use too much, because if you use it too much, then it's like drinking planks of wood or drinking sawdust.
And nobody wants that.
Nobody wants that, absolutely not. So I think this is a really nice example. So should we have a quick taste and see?
All right.
So you can smell that sort of spice and the vanilla and all that kind of thing. It is creamy, isn't it? Yeah. And that's probably because it's undergone a process called malolactic fermentation, which kind of changes the acids and makes them a little bit rounder and creamier and everything. So it's for taste. It's like toasted pineapples, isn't it? You know, when you put sugar on a pineapple and you put it under the grill, and maraschino cherry and almonds, and all sorts of things. Yeah, nice, huh? It's really lovely, isn't it? So yeah, I think what he's done here is he's got just the right amount of wood. So you can taste that there's wood in there. You can taste that there's a little bit of spice, and they said it's creaminess, but there's loads of fruit.
It's very well rounded.
Absolutely, and very well balanced, and that's the best compliment I think you can ever pay a Chardonnay, is to say that it's a balanced wine, and this one really is.
Now, we've paired this with this delicious smoked salmon with avocado salad and beetroot cream. So again, another very summery meal going into those hot months.
Yeah.
What would you pair it with?
I think it would go very nicely with this. I think it would go quite well with some seafood, maybe a little bit, some tuna. If you can get some nice sustainable tuna. I can't remember which one's the right kind to get, but you must check on your phone and make sure. I think that would be a nice match with it as well. So something light and summery, but a little bit of body, because this isn't an insubstantial wine, but it's just needs something just to hold it together.
Great. Well, cheers to Wine Wednesday.
Absolutely. Cheers to that.